The pair of integers which are relatively prime is blank. A, 18 and 4. B, 24 and 18. C, 6 and 45. D, 4 and 7. Ibig sabihin ng relatively prime numbers, these are two integers. Ang integers ay positive numbers whose positive and negative, whose only common factor is 1. May technique din po dito. Kapag ilagay mo siya sa fraction form, 15 over 8 or 58 over 15, kapag hindi na siya na-reduce to lowest term, yan po ay relatively prime number. So gawin natin sa ating item number, letter A. So 18 and 4. Alam natin na ang 18 is divisible by 2 at ang 4 is also divisible by 2. Kaya na-reduce siya sa lowest term, kaya itong pair na to is ligwak. Letter B naman, we have 24 and 18 divided by 2. So this is equal to 12, this is equal to 9. And if you reduce further, this is 4, this is 3. So ligwak din ang ating number 2. Ang ating 6 and 45, you know that 6 is divisible by 3 and 45 is also divisible by 3. 2 over 15, kaya ligwak din ang ating letter C. Ang ating letter D naman is 4 over 7. These numbers cannot be divided by any other number but 1. Yan, kaya hindi na siya marireduce sa lowest term. Kaya tumpak yehe ang sumagot ng letter D sa ating item number 2.